Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Akshita's Utterances. So for all those who don't know me, I'm Akshita Deep Sharma here. And after a very long time, I'm posting this video because I was busy so much. That's why. So finally, I have taken admission in a dental college in India, and that is ITS Dental College, Greater Noida. So basically, in this video, I'm going to post I think all the material which I got from the college, and what are the books which we are going to study for all those who are really interested in BDS or the Bachelor of Dental Surgery. So this video is definitely for all those. I'm going to introduce all the books, what are material, what the instruments I got. I going to introduce all that to you for you. So if you really like my content, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. That really gives me so much motivation. So let's start guys, let's start. So hi guys, finally I'm going to introduce to you all the books which are given to me. So let's start the video. So basically first book which I'm having is the medical embryology book. Okay, so that is author की अगर मैं बात करूँ, so editor is Sabita Mishra and it is a South Asian edition of Langman's Medical Embryology. So I will definitely give you the name of all the books in my description box below. You can see the description of all the books which you can really buy on the internet and also on the shops. So basically the best thing of all these books are definitely that they are having some of the apps which we can go to that app and finally we can see the icon which is given in every book. We have to scan this icon, then we can get so much books of related to this particular company. So basically this is the book which is a Langman's Medical Embryology. Okay, so this is a Langman's Medical Embryology book. Okay, now let's move to the other book. So the other book which I am having is now the Preclinical Manual of Prosthodontics, which is also actually teachers are saying that this subject is present in the third year, but we have to read just preclinical manual. So this is the preclinical manual of prosthodontics by S Lakshmi, and this is its third edition. Okay, I will also show you the camera version of all the books. Okay, so this is the preclinical manual of prosthodontics. Okay, so this is also a very good book, nice diagrams and all that. So important subject of all the dental students and the BDS students is the dental material. So basically dental material, the book which I have been introduced is the Phillips Science of Dental Materials. So basically it is a first South Asia edition and it's a very good book. I have seen this book. Actually हमारा जो अगर मैं बात करती हूँ पेपर एग्ज़ाम की, you know, dental material exam is not in the first year, it is in the subsequent years, but the reading of this book is very much important because you have a acknowledge or you have a better knowledge about all the instruments which are given you in the first year, all those instruments which are going to use when you start clinics or when you come in third year and you started treating the patient. Our teacher told that is. So this is the Phillips Science of Dental Materials and its first South Asia edition. And अगर मैं बात करूँ editors की, that is Arvind Shenoy and Kumar Chandrasekhan Nayyar. Okay, so this book is very much lengthy and bulky also. So a very important book which I think having all the MBBS students also have this book, that is Human Anatomy, that is BD Chaurasi, but it is its fourth edition, that is specially for the dental students. Okay, so it is edited by Krishna Gar. So this book is very much good. Its diagrams are really very much awesome diagrams, you can easily understand. Its language is very much easy. इस बुक में हम लोग को एक ग्राफ, एक मैप भी दिया गया है काफ़ी बड़ा, जिसमें काफ़ी सारी एनाटॉमिकल diagrams are given by which you can revise at the last time. So this book is also very good. This is BD Chaurasia. Okay, you can see here. It is its fourth edition. Okay, it is also having a CBSE Central Lab where we can just log in by scanning this icon and get to know more about the diagrams and other important questions. Now very important books is Wheelers. This is a very important subject, that is the Wheelers, and it is given by Stanley J. Nelson. This is Wheelers Dental Anatomy, Physiology and Occlusion, and it is its South Asia edition and it is its 11th edition. This book is really very much good. I think to have a good account, to have a good knowledge and a brief account of all the dental anatomy, its physiology and how our body is functioning, you know, how our teeth are functioning, what are their shapes. आपको पता है हम लोग फर्स्ट ईयर में विक्स कार्विंग करते हैं, सो हाउ व्हाट आर द शेप्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द टीथ, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दैट. सो एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन दिस बुक. And a very important thing is, I think what I read in this book, it's a very good important thing and I was really impressed by that line. I will tell that line in the last of this video. First see the books. So a very important book and why a good author is Human Physiology. Its language is very much easy. It is Human Physiology by Dr. A.K. Jain. That is specially for the BDS and it is its 6th edition. Very easy language is given in this chapter. I just like that and various chapters are in starting we have already read about it, like cell organelles and about the cell. Okay, so now I am having the test book of biochemistry, but this book is for medical student and it is the same for MBBS and BDS. Our teacher told me that we have not used Satyanarayana in this college because it have several mistakes and which are very difficult to identify if you're not taking an reference from some other book. So this is a different book. It also have the online resource, so it's a very good book because in this the COVID-19 diagnostic testing is also included. This is by DM Vasudevan. We are using the DM Vasudevan. It's a very much good book with very easy language, very good diagrams are given. So you can also buy that. Okay, there are a lot of books. Now the last one is the organs. So basically organs is related to oral histology and embryology, and it is its 15th edition and its US editor is SN Bhaskar. You can see the description box. Okay, yes, this book is also very much good to have a brief account of how the teeth, what are the constituents which teeth is made up of and everything about that. This is the organs book, and we are also given along with organs an atlas of oral histology. So basically in this book various diagrams are given, means whenever we see anything through the microscope, so its diagrams are given. It's a very much slim book, right? So guys, as you can see, these are the books which I got. So basically I hope this is especially so much helpful for especially those guys which are going to take admission in the BDS and who want to get knowledge about all the subjects which they are going to study, whether they are fascinated by the subject or not. So this is very much important. And at last, so what I'm going to tell you about this is this, that I had read a line in the Wheeler's book that what is the purpose of dental students? I think what is the purpose of dentistry? So I read a very beautiful thing and I really impressed by that line, and I also have added this line in a pic. It is on my Instagram channel. You can also follow that at the rate of being dental doctor. Its admin is mean, that is Eve Akshita. So basically that was written that our main purpose in dentistry is always be the conservation, preservation and restoration. Means as the centuries passing, as days and days are passing, our main concern is that how much we can conserve, how much we can protect. हम लोग किसी भी चीज़ को रिप्लेस करने से पहले हम सोचते हैं हम उसे कंजर्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं. इफ़ यू कैन कंजर्व इट्स फाइन, ओनली देन हम लोग का एक्सट्रैक्शन या जो भी हम लोग को करना है हम वो प्रोसेस कैरी आउट कर देते हैं. सो द मेन पर्पज ऑफ डेंटिस्ट्री इज ऑलवेज द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ द ओरल हाइजीन. I also started an oral cancer awareness camp on my Instagram channel, and that's a very good channel and a very, I think, important. How, what are the symptoms, what is this disease, how you can get it tested, and everything about the oral cancer is given on my Instagram channel. You can see that from there. I have given its link. Not, it's not link, it's my Instagram channel. You can search it out. You should follow that. That is really very good channel. So see, what I'm going to say is that what is our main purpose? That is always the restoration and the preservation and the conservation. The industry always deals with that, and I think it's a very much beautiful science. And you know, when I didn't get admission in MBBS, I was so much disheartened because I get a very good rank. But later on, when I've taken admission BDS and when I started reading the subjects, I was so much impressed. Means I was thinking that in MBBS we're reading everything, we are reading the whole body. But in this, we are reading the whole body. But along with this, along with that, all that, we are reading a major description of especially this particular part, which is, I think, the most beautiful part of any body, most sensitive, and I think a thing which everyone is being impressed by, which actually shows our personality, is our face. Definitely, we are going to read beautifully about this in brief, and I think this is a very good thing. In MBBS we didn't read about anything in so much deep. Now we are going to read about that. So I was impressed by this so much, and everything subjects are understood. Means they are very much easy. As for all those who are biology lovers, they find that BDS or MBBS, it's very much interesting. So guys, if you really like my content, then please like, share and subscribe. You can please see the description box for all the channels, all the books which I have told to you in this video. So please see that, and also see my Instagram page and everything about that. So thank you guys, bye bye, meet you after some time. Thank you. बुक से आप लोग देख सकते हो. एक बार और इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ. दिस इज़ टेक्स्ट बुक ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री. मैं आपको इंडिविजुअली अभी दिखाऊंगी. दिस इज़ मेडिकल एम्ब्रियोलॉजी, human anatomy, prosthodontics, preclinical manual. This is Wheeler's. This is human physiology for BDS. This is dental material, and this is Orban's. So you can see now. I got these books now. All these are new books. So by seeing them, I'm thinking just we have to study a lot for doing BDS. I think nothing is inferior. How people can say that the dentists are not doctors? They are totally wrong. Definitely, these are so much. Oh God, and these are so much lengthy books. You can see human anatomy book. This is also so much lengthy, guys. This is by A.K. Jain, Human Physiology for BDS. There is the best book for the dental anatomy, physiology and occlusion. And this is so काफ़ी सारी books हैं आप लोग देख सकते हो. God. So this is all about.